po ang sulat ni Shaira.
Ako ang nag-drawing.
Ako rin yung nagkulay. Oh, wala kayo doon.
ang eruption ng may volcano in 1968.
1968, you must discuss the Vulcanian.
Volcano is
Report ka, report.
Hindi mo nababasa, mga bobo.
Uy.
Ganito pa lang 1988 ang grabe ang flu pa na.
Guys, magaling po siya mag-report. Report it, Shaira. Go on, report it.
This is the May 1968 volcanic eruption.
So, nandiyan na po ang mga The Boys.
The Boys.
Bigyan na sa mga The Boys.
Si Shaira Boys.
Sila ano kayo.
Ano na yun? So, ayun po yung nagkagrupo namin, no?
Cooperative.
Provide with an
Pagbasa na to.
Vlog muna bago mag-graduate.
this is time of rounds, guys. This is like
Very good.
hindi naman kita
Nagali na pala siya, diba? Discuss it, look.
this of
Look, you must discuss that.
So, I don't
volcanic landforms. These tires of volcanic landforms in this shield have
Look.
their stratum and silicon. Wherein, may volcano is, dito tayo sa
It's
stratovolcano.
very fun.
Kuhan?
Stratovolcano shift tayo.
Ako naman. Magkatulong ng payo ko.
Okay ka naman. Explain.
This is the types of volcano. These types of volcano states that this volcano is erupted from 1998 to 1999. Ano yun? Ano yung eruption?